Welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access features that can extend the usefulness of your Google slide decks. So if you go to Extensions, and the first option is Add-ons, Get Add-ons, Manage Add-ons, View Document Add-ons. If I go to Get Add-ons, this will open up a marketplace where I can find add-ons for my Google slide decks, which will add a bunch of different features. One of the things you have to watch out for is if you're using a managed account, some of these add-ons might be blocked by IT or whatever your admin would be considered. But you see a bunch of different add-ons here. There's typically a brief description of what the add-on does, why you might need it. Unfortunately, if I click on one, install, I don't get to. This application is not allowed by my administrator. If you don't have a managed account or your managed account allows you to install these types of add-ons, you can certainly find tons of different ones in here. You can even sort them and search them. If you have some and you go to add-ons, you can go to manage add-ons. And this will show you the add-ons that you have available. These were all installed for me by my administrative team or the IT department. These are ones that they want me to not have access to. I can see them here, but I can't add them because it's blocked. But if you have add-ons, you can manage them, uninstall them if you don't need them or it doesn't quite do what you want. But it gives you a way to manage these additional tools that can really add a lot of usefulness and extend how you can use your Google slide decks in order to interact with your audience.